Namaste and welcome to today's Svadhyaya. Let us begin the class with prayers. Om Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthanamandale Natyam Karishye Bhudevi Padasparsham Kshamaswame Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavangmayam Aharyam Chandrataradi Tam Numah Satvikam Shivam Guru Brahma Gurur Vishnum Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kitta takka takka dhimmi takka jhannu takka dhimmi takka jhannu takka dhimmi takka jhannu tai tai diditai tam tai tai diditai tam tai tai diditai tam. Let us start with few exercises, warm-up exercises. Let us start with our wrist. Open your legs and slowly move your wrist upwards and opposite side as you bring it down. One more time, take it up faster this time and bring it back faster. Stretch your left hand. You can look away and other hand. Left hand, stretch it and by keeping the legs straight and go right side and come up. Try to face your toes forward. Change your leg, hand sorry. And this way if possible. And change the hand. Rotate your hands. Neck, side to side, up and down, and rotate. Slowly twist your upper body. Breathe out every time you twist. All right, ankles, and opposite. Change your leg and opposite. Spread your legs and go on ayata position while resting your hands on top of your thighs while pushing it out. Try to push this out slowly as much as possible, and also make sure that the toes that you are holding is not beyond the knees. That is when you are going to lose the balance. If you are going to keep like this, slowly start rocking right and left. Go towards your right side now. Stretch left leg. You can keep the back leg flat. Keep one hand behind so for the balance. Flex your other leg and now point it. Slowly turn towards your right side. hand on your knees. From here, let us lift our back leg knee and go down. This time we will twist our right leg in front. Try to keep the leg as parallel as possible to the ground and go down. Slowly come up, keep your hands right there and have this stretch. This should be working on your left leg also, this part. And keep the leg in between the hands. Keep the back leg straight and stretch the front leg. Wherever you want to hold it is fine, as far as your leg is, the front leg, that is right leg right now, it is getting stretched. Slowly walk your hands towards the left side and go towards your left side. Try to keep the back leg, that is left leg, flat. You can have one leg behind for the balance, and this time let us flex the leg and stretch. One more time, flex and stretch. Now from here, let us turn towards our left side, hand on our knee. Breathe normally, all of you, and let us lift our back leg knee. It need not be as straight, just for the stretch here. This is helpful for your Kutadavu. And sit down, and from here we are going to turn the front leg inside and go down. If you have more time, you can be here as much as possible. Now keep your hands next to the legs and stretch up. Try to keep it as back as possible so that you can have the, yes, correct. Keep the leg in between the hands and stretch the front leg. And walk your hands in front. Let us hold our legs, ankles, and try to pull ourselves lower, not front side, here, as low as possible. Yes. And slowly come up. We will do side sit-ups for strengthening exercise. Before that, just go towards your right side and see if you have stretched your legs enough. Right side once and left side once. Just make sure that you can even rotate your leg to see your muscles are fine. Now let us do 4 times each side. You can hold your hand here to give more strength to your legs, but if it is not possible, it's absolutely fine. You can hold the ground and try to go. Okay, but do not do this. I want you to get up fully, and as you go down, try to lift your other leg. So while you're doing this, it is too difficult, then you can try to hold the ground. Otherwise, it should be done this way, where you are lifting the toes up even when you're coming back. Lifting the toes when you're going down, lifting the toes up and keeping that way when you're coming up. 4 times each directions. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Yes, you can hold the ground for the balance and slowly come up. You can keep the leg up, that's absolutely fine, and push it up. Correct. If you keep it flat, that's also fine if you're going to keep it flat, but it makes our body bend forward. This way we can keep our core muscle straight and keep the heel as soon as possible. Keep the heel as much as possible, and as you get up, keep the heel first. Yes, that way you're going to use your thigh muscles more and not the ankles. 2 more times. 1 and 1. 2 more last time. 1 and 1. Very nice. Get up now, all of you. We'll do some more exercise related to the muscles here, strengthening of muscles. Let us keep in Samapadam and raise your heel, raise on your toe and go down, turn your leg and raise up and go down fully and get up and close. That is the full sequence. 1 and down, turn and go up, fully down and up. Close your leg. 1 and down slowly, as slow as possible. 2 and down. 3. Now while coming up, try to keep your heel as soon as possible. Get that position of Aramandi as soon as possible. Don't get up and then keep your heel. Okay. 2 more times. 1 and down. 2 and down. Keep the heel first and up. Once again, last time. 1 down, up and down. Keep the heel down first and get up. All right. Let us do some exercises for our core muscles. You remember I had taught you some of the karate exercises. So I am going to teach Aditya Anna today some of the movements which can be combination of Kalari and karate. Now from here, keep your left leg straight and your hand can be here, mushti, and keep the back leg flat and go down. Keep the front leg straight, right leg. So when you close it, it will be like a T shape, like this or this way. So here, once again. So this is the number 1. 1. You're going down like this. Don't push your hip out. And from here, we are going to kick forward and come back to the same position. So there is balance is in the center on your core muscles. So you are still holding the core muscles and coming back. We will do 4 kicks on right side. 1, 2, 3. Go down first. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1. With lot of control in your legs. 2. Which is generated from your core muscles. 3. I want you to breathe out. Yes, make noise. 2 more times. And very nice. Come up. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1 more. 4 more. Keep your body straight. 2 more times. Last one. And slowly come up. Okay. 1 more. We are going to open our legs, look at the way I open my leg and keep the leg straight. Once again, 1, 2, 3, go, 1 and 2. This time let us use Pataka Hasta only, and I want you to take as much time as possible. From here, the hand is going to go here and coming here. I want you to take longer and not. So, we are just going to breathe out as the hand goes from here to here and breathe in. I will show you once. More control on your breathing. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out also from your nose. Breathe in and breathe out. I hope you are feeling the core muscles getting tightened. And breathe in again and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Try not to make funny faces. It is just for the core muscles. We have to hold our core this way and dance. So, you can't dance like this. We have to hold our core muscles tight and dance. We will look nice, and also we will be avoiding lot of injuries to the other part of our legs, other part of our body. Once again. All right, we'll do some punches now. So, we are going to start with our right hand, Mushti Hasta, front and bring it back. So, this is simultaneous. One you do it and another hand, another hand, another hand. So, this is not for the hand, it is not exercise for the hand, it is again for your core muscles. I will show you once. Try. Breathe in. Every time the hand exchanges, you have to breathe in and breathe out nicely. This time I want you to do faster, like fast release. 8 times. Watch me once. Try. All right. Breathe in nicely, close your legs and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Even if you are not going to dance, these exercises are very, very helpful for your breathing process, where you control how long I want to breathe out. 5 seconds. Okay. Till there, my core muscles are tight. Quickly. So, to get control on your breathing, it's very, very important, especially when you do longer compositions, where you're getting tired. You have to control your breathing. That is the only way we can sustain and also preserve our stamina, energy. All right. Let us go to our Adavu sessions. Today let us do combination of different adavus that you have learned so far. So, let us start with Natadavu. Tayyum dhatta tayhittaha, tayyum dhatta tayhittaha, tayha tayhi, tayha tayhi, tayha tayhi, tayha tayhi, tattaytaha, dhittaytaha, dhiddittai, 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 dhiddittai. That is one set. Let us do that much. 1, 2, 3. We will directly start from second speed. Kitta, takka, tayyum, dhatta, tayhi, taha, tayyum, dhatta, tayhi. Kuditadu, taha, tayha, tayhi, tayha, tayhi, tayha, tayhi. Mettadu first one. Tat, ತೈ ತಾ ಹ ಧಿತ್ ತೈ ಪಕ್ಕಡವು ಧಿತ್ ಧಿತ್ ತೈ ಕಿಟತಕ ಧಿತ್ ಧಿತ್ ತೈ ಧಿ ಧಿ ತೈ ಕಿಟತಕ ಧಿ ಧಿ ತೈ. From here we will add one more adabu that we had learnt in previous swadhyaya, that is ta tai ta ha dhit tai ta ha tat tai ta ha dhit tai, only right side. Now after this we are going to start everything starting from left and finishing with this. Kitta ta ka tat tai ta ha dhit tai ta ha tat tai ta ha dhit tai kitta takka tat yum dhat ta tai hi ta ha dhat ta tai uditadu tai ha tai ha tai ha tai metadavu left side tai yum dhat ta tai hi pakkadavu dhit dhit tai kitataka dhit dhit tai dhit dhit tai dhit dhit tai tai yum dhat ta tai hi ta ha tai yum dhat ta tai hi ta ha. All right. So let us add few more adavus that you had learnt previously. Kuditadavu taiha taihi taiha taihi taiha tai, sorry, only right side. After that we are going to do Ranga Kramana right and left, only the legs because they have learnt it in last class. Taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha. Then we are going to start again this side. Kitta tahka taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha. So I will, yes, I will repeat the sequence that we have done. This is how we add different varieties of adavus in a jati also, right? So this is the combination of adavus. We have to remember. I am not going to tell you, remind you what comes after what this time. So, but I will just go through once again. Natadavu, then pakkadavu, sorry, kuditadavu, then mettadavu, then pakkadavu. After that we are going to do Phani adavu, the new combination what we had learnt. Then kuditadavu, this one only right side, then Ranga Kramana, then again left side. All right. Let us try little faster this time. 1, 2, kitta takka taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiha taihi taiha taihi taiha taihi taiha taihi taiyum dhatta taihi taha dhit dhit tai kitataka dhit dhit tai dhit dhit tai kitataka dhit dhit tai taiha taihi takka dhimmi jhanno takka dhimmi takka jhanno takka dhimmi takka tarikita taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha. Let them try now, Aditya. Tai left side, taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiha taihi taiha taihi taiha taihi taiha taihi tattai taha dhittai taha dhit dhit tai kitataka dhit dhit tai dhit dhit tai kitataka dhit dhit tai taiyum dhatta taihi taha takka dhimmi takka jhanno takka dhimmi takka jhan taiyum dhatta taihi taha tattai taha dhittai taha tattai taha dhittai taha. Very nice. Can we try third speed? Kitta kitta takka taiyum dhatta taihi taha taiyum dhatta taihi taha तैहा तैहि तैहा तैहि तैहा तैहि तैहा तैहि तत्तै ताः धित्तै धिद्दित्तै किटतक धिद्दित्तै धिद्दित्तै किटतक धिद्दित्तै तक धिमित झण्णु तक धिमि झण्णु तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि तक झण्णु तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि लेफ्ट साइड तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि तक तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि मेट्टडवु तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः धिद्दित्तै किटतक धिद्दित्तै धिद्दित्तै किटतक धिद्दित्तै तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः तक धिमि तक झण्णु तक धिमि तक झण्णु युं धत्त तैहि ताः तैयुं धत्त तैहि ताः युं धत्त तैहि ताः
వరదనా కువలయనయనా తల్లి రక్షించు సుందరదనా కువలయనయనా తల్లి రక్షించు మగరి గ మ ప మగరి గ మగరి పాతకములను దీర్చిని పద భక్తి సంతతమీయవే పావని కదా మోర వినద పరాకేలనం వినం పాతకములను తీర్చిని పద భక్తి సంతతమీయవే పావని కదా మోర వినద పరాకేలనం వినం నత ఫలదాయకియని బిరుదు భూమిలో కలిగిన దొరయనుచు దాము మొరలియగని కలుషహారిణి సదా నత ఫలదాయకియని బిరుదు భూమిలో కలిగిన దొరయనుచు దాము మొరలియగని నీరి సది నిధి నిద పద మగరి శ్రీ ని శ్రీ గ మ ప Bye. निलया सुरसमुदयाकर विधृत कुवलया निभवन निलया सुरसमुदयाकर विधृत कुवलया मदद जवारण मृगेन्द्र शुक कलुषद घन घना अपरिमित वैभव मुगल स्मरण मदिरोदल चिन्ह जनादुलकु बहु संबदल नीचे विकुडुमा कभयमेयवे सागरी सदी सारिनी दम पादनी दनी सागरी सरी सनी दब मग मगरी सनी सा रे ग म प ग मगरी प म ब दानी सारी ग म गरी गरी सारिनी दब मगरी श्याम कृष्ण सहोदरी शिव शंकरी परमेश्वरी श्याम कृष्ण सहोदरी शिव शंकरी परमेश्वरी श्याम कृष्ण सहोदरी शिव शंकरी परमेश्वरी हरिहर दुलकुनि महिमगणी चरमा सुतुडम्मा अभिमानमु वेदा ना ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಬ ಅನುದಿನಮು ಮರವಗನೆ ನೀ ಪಾದಮೂಲೆ ಏಕನೋಚುನಂ ಮಿತಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀಕಂಠಿಕ
We'll see you in next class. Do Namaskaram. Shlokam. Om Vishnu Shakti Samutpanne Sarvavarna Mahitale Anekaratna Sampanne Bhumi Devi Namostute. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Kitta Takka Takka Dhimmi Takka Jhannu Dhimmi झण्णु धिम्बि तक्क झण्णु तै तै दिदि तै ताम दिदि तै ताम तै तै दिदि तै ताम.